Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. We're gonna try on this, which way is up? Dragun Beauty. This is Jinx. This is their DragunGlass matte liquid lipstick. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is my first Dragun Beauty product. Look at that. I mean, the packaging. I'm a little scared of this color. Ooh, I'm a little scared of it. All right, here we go. Oh, wow. Why do I like it? It has a nice scent to it. It is a matte gloss, so how does that even work? It's a matte liquid lipstick. Doesn't feel so drying. I kind of like it. Y'all, comment below. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day and God bless.